Natale.
This carpet was also inspired all the line work in the collection.
I'm particularly inspired by his use of brutalism. He's so genius about including the murals.
I thought it was inspiring. I think, it's different and it's exactly what our industry needs, which is, pushing the boundaries of what a tile is. I love that there's so many different collections that kind of speak to different clients. You've got some more feature pieces, you've got some quiet ones that can fit anywhere. I think it's really great.
Well, it's something so new because it does reference those amazing murals that were put in the brutalist project.
It's just amazing. I can see myself using it as a feature in a house, or I can use it in a commercial setting, I can use it in a restaurant.
Absolutely amazing. I'm really loving the colours and the movement in the actual porcelain.
The tile is amazing for the size of the tile. The sizing is spot on. There's no bowing. It's all square. It's great, and I love the corrugated look of the tile.